How to make a health bar in Roblox Studio. For today's video, I will show you how to make a health bar in Roblox Studio. Without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Create a GUI. On the Roblox Studio, there is the Explorer category. Find and tap the plus icon next to the Starter GUI. Then tap Screen GUI. From there, I will just change the name into Health GUI. Then tap the plus icon next to the screen GUI you created, which is the Health GUI. Then tap the frame. After that, you'll see the white square, which is the frame on the upper left corner. Then just tap and drag it to anywhere you want it to be. You can also resize it depending on what you like. Now, since our frame is in offset, we will use scale. If you look at the size, you will see there are 4 numbers. Now, the first and third number is the scale number, so we need to make those higher. To use scale, just put 0.4. Then for the second number, 0, and the third number, 0.06, then 0 for the fourth number. Note, you can also change the name of the frame. I will change it into Health Frame. Then, if you scroll up, you will also find the background color 3. You can simply tap the colored box and then choose the color you want. I'll choose green. Then, after that, tap the plus icon next to the frame you created, which is for me, the Health Frame. Then select another frame. I will rename this into the Health Bar. Then after that, change its size by 1.0, 0, 1.0, 0. Then change its color to something lighter. After that, tap the plus sign icon on the health frame, then select Label. Then select the text label and change this into percentage. Then change its background transparency to 1. Then change its anchor point to 0.5, 0.5. Then scroll down and change its position to 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0. Then change its size by 0.1, 0, 1, 0. Scroll down again and change the text to 100%. Then you increase the text scale to what you want, and also the text color. Step 2. Script. Tap the plus sign icon next to the health bar, then select the local script. When you click the local script, the script editor should appear. Then I will first show you the code. You can copy, then I'll explain the code once it's done. The first 3 lines of codes that I made are the variables. Now, what the first 2 lines of code do is simply find the player in the game. Then we added the OR, so that when the code finds a player, it will wait for the player to be added. Then the third line simply finds the character, which will be the humanoid. Then we will just make a variable to get the health, and then add a function. Now, what this function does is that the first line of code computes the health the player has by dividing the humanoid health to its max health. Then the second line is that it changes the size of the health bar depending on what the variable size gets. Then the third line changes the text label on the percentage label. Lastly, we will just call the function like this. Now, this will change the player's health whenever they get damaged. Now, this last one is if they happen to have a potion to increase their health. This will make it look like the health regenerated. And that's it. That is how to make a health bar in Roblox Studio.
We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, Be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!